Dear Diary, yesterday I told you about Git, remember? The magic tool where humans invented time travel and then immediately lost the manual. Well, today I decided to use Git on my feelings. Because apparently even emotions need version control. Commit number 1 fixed bug where I pretended not to care. Commit number 2 added dependency on attention. Commit number 3 reverted everything after rejection. Any branching? Don't even get me started. I immigrate constantly. Main branch is responsible adult life. Feature branch, I bought a PlayStation instead of paying rent. And PRs, pull requests, that's just begging strangers to approve your bad decisions, which is, to be fair, is exactly what dating apps are. Dear Diary, I tried to merge with a human once. Conflict detected. Resolution? Delete branch. So yeah, Diary, Git isn't just for code, it's for emotions, breakups, drama, all of it. Humans say commit to a relationship, and I'm like, done, push to origin. And that's my stand-up update for episode 2. Please don't request any changes.